What if I told you that most traders don't actually lose money because of bad strategies, but because they chose the wrong broker and didn't even realize it? In 2026, trading platforms look more advanced than ever. Spreads are advertised as ultra low. Execution is called instant. And almost every broker claims to be fully regulated and trader-friendly. Yet behind the scenes, small details like fee structures, regulatory entities, and execution conditions quietly determine whether you grow your account or slowly bleed capital over time. Today, we're taking a fresh, honest look at Vantage Markets. No hype, no affiliate fluff, just what really matters if you trade Forex, indices, or CFDs in 2026. Here's an uncomfortable truth most traders don't like to hear. Choosing a broker is not about picking the most popular name. It's about choosing a broker that fits your trading style, your capital size, and your risk tolerance. Many people choose Vantage because they hear phrases like low spreads, fast execution, and strong regulation. But in today's market, those claims are just the starting point, not the decision. So let's break this down properly. Vantage Markets is a global CFD broker offering access to Forex, indices, commodities, crypto CFDs, and share CFDs. It supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and web-based platforms. On the surface, everything looks competitive. But here's what many reviews fail to explain clearly. Vantage operates through multiple legal entities, and depending on where you live, you may be trading under very different rules. Same broker name, completely different experience. That difference affects leverage, client protection, and even how disputes are handled. Keep that in mind because it matters more than you think. Now let's talk about the real cost of trading, fees and spreads. Vantage mainly offers standard accounts and raw ECN-style accounts. Raw accounts often advertise near zero spreads on major pairs like EUR/USD. And under normal market conditions, those spreads can indeed be very tight. But this is where many traders make a costly mistake. They focus only on spreads and completely ignore commissions, execution quality, and swap fees. A tight spread means nothing if your order fills late. A low commission doesn't help if your strategy depends on holding positions overnight. Swap fees, in particular, quietly destroy many swing traders. You don't notice them on day one. You notice them weeks later when your profits don't add up. One simple rule experienced traders follow is to always check swap rates before committing serious capital, not after. Now let's move to the most important part of any broker review: regulation and safety. Vantage is regulated in several jurisdictions, including both higher-tier and offshore regulators. This distinction matters far more than most traders realize. If you're under a strong regulatory framework, you usually benefit from segregated client funds, stricter oversight, and clearer legal protection. If you're under an offshore entity, you may get higher leverage and more flexible trading conditions, but you also accept weaker protection if something goes wrong. Neither option is automatically good or bad. The danger comes from choosing without understanding the trade-off. Experienced traders sometimes choose offshore entities intentionally. New traders almost always benefit from stronger regulation. Awareness is the key, not blind trust. So how does Vantage perform in real-world trading? On normal market days, many users report stable platforms, fast order placement, and competitive pricing. During high volatility events, such as major economic news releases, some traders experience slippage or temporary spread widening. This isn't unique to Vantage. Almost every retail broker behaves this way during extreme market conditions. What matters is how often it happens and whether it aligns with your trading strategy. If your system relies on ultra-precise news execution, no retail broker is perfect. Risk management matters more than the broker's name. So who is Vantage actually a good fit for? Vantage may be a solid choice if you trade Forex or indices actively, understand leverage, and want competitive pricing with flexible platforms. You should be more cautious if you're a complete beginner without a risk plan, if you ignore which regulatory entity you're trading under, or if you hold long-term positions without paying attention to swap costs. A broker won't make you profitable, but the wrong broker can make profitability much harder. So is Vantage Markets safe in 2026? It's not a scam, and it's not perfect either. Vantage is a competitive broker if you understand the real costs, the regulatory structure, and how it fits your trading approach. Smart traders don't chase the lowest spread. They choose clarity, consistency, and control. If this breakdown helped you see things more clearly, consider subscribing for more honest reviews like this, without hype or shortcuts. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever switched brokers and immediately noticed a difference in your results? What lesson did that experience teach you? Share your experience in the comments. It might save another trader from making the same mistake.